Here's a Hunter 52-inch Summer Breeze ceiling fan. This is in polished brass. This fan is from the year 2000. Flush mounted. It is not a OEM Hunter light kit on it, as you can probably won't be able to tell, as here, it'll probably be easier to tell if I shut this light off. You might be able to tell the brass is a completely different color on the light kit than the Hunter fan. Hunter really, this is not polished brass. It's more of a nickel color. Kind of like what Jordan Yu was thinking when he had one of these in his living room. But these are big childhood fans of mine. My school has a bunch of these in their classrooms in white. They're mainly in the elementary classrooms, I believe. So you either had these or the low profiles from the 2000s. But this one I saved from demolition. We were remodeling a small town dentist office, and this was in the lobby. It's a very nice fan, aesthetically wise. I really like it. There was actually another light that looked exactly like the light kit that was on here, that was above the entryway. But yeah, I saved this. This was the only ceiling fan there that was worth saving. The other one was a modern piece of crap. I saved this and a few fluorescent light fixtures. I'll take you off the tripod now. Come on. I keep buying crappy tripods. Don't mind me. Here we go. This one's a little bit easier to disconnect. Well, you can see what jerry-rigged system I have up there. It has two 60-watt clear decorative bulbs in there. I believe this is oak. I'm not very good on wood. I believe this is oak, and it would be, flip this around, and I believe it would be more of like a rosewood, like redwood color, I believe. Anyways, these tassels are not original. This thing came with some gross daylight CFLs in it, so I changed those out with these in it. These bulbs in it looks quite nice. Complements the brass very well. Fan runs great. It's silent, though it does wobble a fair bit. Reinstall the camera onto the tripod. Yeah, there it is on low. Yeah, one of the blades is definitely bent upwards a little bit. Don't know if you can yeah, you can definitely tell on the camera. it wobbles the worst. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I believe it's because of the glass on it. That glass is pretty heavy, surprisingly. This is a pretty powerful fan. I remember these being pretty powerful when I was a little kid, being in school. And yes, I do have this tripod set up on boxes because this tripod is too freaking short. Bearings don't make any noise from what I can hear. Actually, I'll set it back on low. That's what it was on before. Alrighty. Actually, somewhere on the side of the housing is the Hunter logo right there, which you can't see. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.